Hello! Welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to export your custom avatar from Union Avatars straight into Animaze, so you can become a VTuber too, like me. And that's not all. I'll also show you how to change your voice with voice mod to give your character more personality. And finally, we'll set everything up in OBS to record your screen. Ready? Let's go! First, open Animaze, and then let's export your avatar from Union Avatars. Once your avatar is designed to your liking, look for the Export Avatar option and select to Animaze. And here's the magic. Now you can go to Animaze and your avatar will already be imported there. Now that our avatar is in Animaze, let's customize it and make it truly unique. Here are the steps we'll follow to bring your VTuber to life. First, we'll add some fun accessories. Let's check out the available options. I think I'll give my VTuber some heart-shaped glasses. Aren't they cute? I'll resize them a little and change the color to pink for an extra touch of personality. Perfect! Next, let's change the background. I'll pick one with a chair and a microphone, which is perfect for my VTuber's setup. Let's choose green as the background color. It's ideal for using a filter later in OBS to remove it. And finally, I'll adjust the lighting to make it just right. Now it's time to add some movement. Animaze has several animations, like waving and dancing. Let's try a few. You can assign each animation to a specific key on your keyboard. That way, you can activate them anytime during your streams or recordings with just a press of a button. For the final touch, let's change the voice. Animaze has a shortcut to voice mod. You'll find it under the voice mod icon. Click on it, and you'll see the option to download the program. Once it's installed, open voice mod and choose the voice that suits your VTuber's personality best. I'm going with something fun and bubbly. Don't forget to activate the voice changer. Now it's time to connect Animaze with OBS so we can start recording. Let me show you step by step. First, open OBS and add a screen capture source. Select the screen you want to record. This will display everything happening on your selected screen. Next, we'll add a video capture device. Select Animaze Virtual Camera in the Device drop-down menu. This will connect OBS to your avatar from Animaze. If you want to remove the background, let's apply a filter. Right-click on your video source, select Filters, and add a chroma key. Then choose the color of your background, in my case, green, and voila! The background is gone. Once the background is gone, you can resize your VTuber and move it around the screen to fit your layout. Let's adjust this real quick. Perfect! Now, back in Animaze, enable the virtual camera option. This activates the connection to OBS. Finally, back in OBS, everything is ready to go. Your VTuber is live and the setup is complete. Now you're ready to start recording your screen with your VTuber. Let the fun begin. And that's it! We've gone through everything step by step. Exporting your avatar, customizing it in Animaze, setting up your voice with voice mod, and connecting everything to OBS for recording. Now you're ready to dive into the world of VTubing and create amazing content. Remember, VTubing is all about having fun and letting your creativity shine. Whether you're streaming, recording tutorials, or just exploring, your VTuber is an extension of your unique personality. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. I can't wait to see what you create. Tag Union Avatars in your videos so I can check them out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye!